Tired of confusing withdrawal fees eating into your hard-earned cash? You're not alone. Many people struggle to find easy and affordable ways to get their money out of their Beam wallet. But worry no more, because today, we're diving deep into the world of free Beam wallet withdrawals. Beam is a fantastic platform for managing your finances, but what good is a wallet if you can't easily access your funds? We'll explore the different methods available to withdraw your money from your Beam wallet without incurring any pesky fees. Let's break it down. The most common and often free method is linking your Beam wallet to your bank account. Check for bank partnerships. Beam often collaborates with specific banks. If your bank is a partner, you can usually initiate free transfers directly from your Beam wallet to your linked bank account. Look for bank transfer or linked accounts options within your Beam wallet app or website. Confirm eligibility. Carefully review the terms and conditions of your Beam account and any linked bank accounts. Pay close attention to withdrawal limits, processing times, and any specific requirements. While bank transfers are generally the most convenient and free option, here are some alternatives to consider. Beam debit card. If available, a Beam debit card can be a great way to access your funds. You can use it for in-store purchases, online shopping, and ATM withdrawals. Check for any associated ATM fees or daily withdrawal limits. Beam-to-Beam transfers. If you need to send money to another Beam user, peer-to-peer transfers within the Beam ecosystem are usually free and instant. Important considerations. Withdrawal limits. Be mindful of any daily, weekly, or monthly withdrawal limits imposed by Beam. Processing times. Bank transfers can take a few business days to complete. Security. Always prioritize security when withdrawing funds. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing attempts. Tips for free withdrawals. Plan ahead. If you need to withdraw a large sum, plan ahead to ensure you're within the withdrawal limits. Check for promotions. Keep an eye out for any special promotions or offers from Beam that may offer free withdrawals or reduced fees. Contact support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to contact Beam customer support. Withdrawing your money from your Beam wallet shouldn't be a financial burden. By exploring the options outlined in this video and understanding the associated terms and conditions, you can easily and affordably access your hard-earned cash. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.